Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SFOR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this one before in the past. I don't remember the last date I did it on, but the nice thing about the chart provider here, TradingView, is whenever you put up annotations, it remembers where they are, so no matter how much later you come back, the lines are still there. And I bring that up because the lines all still pertain to the chart quite a bit, -1, and that would be this level down here. Yes, it does pertain to the chart, but it's just not relevant anymore. So from a presentation standpoint, and in the spirit of not wanting to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, we'll just get rid of that one. Again, yes, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not currently relevant. First level of support, though, that I want to talk about is just kind of a rehash of maybe some of you do remember the last time I did the video on it, but that's right here at 0062, which is where I put that green line. And temporarily, it actually did turn into a resistance when the price fell back below it. That's just a foundational rule in charting. But now that the price got back up above it today, you want to see resistance turn into support. And that's exactly actually what happened. You can see the price pulled back, and surprise, surprise, great example there. You could put that into a textbook of a resistance now acting as support, and then the price bounced up from there. So 0062, definitely the ideal level of support going forward, meaning, Clay, what would make the chart look the best? The price can hold above 0062. That would certainly be the preferable situation. Now, if it doesn't, I'm not saying that's the end of the world or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, that's going to make the chart most attractive. Bigger picture perspective and a very simplistic way to kind of measure the health of the move. What do I mean by the move? Well, this right here. So how can you measure the health of that? Just keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. As long as the price remains above that purple line, which will continue to move upwards as time goes by, then the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. In regards to levels of resistance, makes perfect sense why the price struggled today up here at the James Bond level 007. Again, I have not touched this red line, so this just kind of goes to show the power of charts. But I put it in place based off, you can see here, the price, there were some sellers that showed up. And once again today, the sellers are still sitting there. Not saying that 007 can't be, broken through, but apparently, the bulls are going to have to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight through this James Bond level. In the event they can, next level of resistance up there at 0074. All in all, though, very, very nice day today. Nice increase in volume. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.